Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change language in Envato Elements. So the first option is to change your specific system's language. So to go ahead and change it on your computer, just find the language section. Now go ahead and click on Edit Language and Keyboard Options. Now this window will pop up. You can go ahead and add a language right here, for example, Filipino. All right. And once that's done, make Filipino as your main language. Move it up. All right. And after that, go ahead over to Windows Display Language, change this one as well to whatever is added right here. And once that's done, go ahead and open up your browser, go to Envato or elements.envato.com. It should go ahead and change the language to Filipino. All right. The other option, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down from this home page, and then you'll be able to see a language section. So go ahead and click on it, and you'll have 6 options right here. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and use Espanol or Spanish. Wait for it to load, and here we have it. All right. So you can go ahead and choose to use this icon right here in your browser. You can click on 3 dots and choose another language. Click on the drop down, change it to this one. This is the third option. Translate it. And once that's done, you're good to go as well. That's how simple it is to change the language in Envato Elements. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.